Disclaimer: the purpose of the exhibited video is strictly informal and for the guidance of the viewers only. TVS Motor Company claims no liability for the consequences of anything you do with your motorcycle before or after watching the video. TVS recommends using only genuine and authorized TVS spare parts and accessories for all of its motorcycles and suggests that all the repairs to be made at authorized TVS service stations only. Fuse inspect and replace. If your motorcycle is not starting, the headlamp is not glowing, ABS system, horn, cluster or indicators not working, then it may be time to inspect and replace the fuse. Here is how you can do it. Turn off the ignition switch and remove the key from the barrel. Tool required: fuse plucker. Remove the pillion seat by inserting the ignition key into the seat lock and turn it in clockwise direction. Pull and take out the seat by lifting it from the rear end. Remove utility box under pillion seat area. Pull out the knob to remove rider seat. Place it in a safe place to avoid damage. Remove the fuse plucker from battery holder. Open the fuse box. Inspect each fuse by removing the fuse by using the fuse plucker tool by holding the bottom of fuse box firmly. If any fuse found to be blown, replace it by respective spare fuse available in fuse box and below pillion seat utility box by locating to the respective fuse slots by pressing the same for proper seating. Close the fuse box and fix the fuse plucker in battery holder. Reassemble the rider seat, utility box and pillion seat firmly. Battery inspection. Turn off the ignition switch and remove the key from the barrel. Knowing your motorcycle's battery health plays a vital role in keeping your motorcycle's electrical parts perform at its best. Tool required: multimeter. Remove the pillion seat by inserting the ignition key into the seat lock and turn it in clockwise direction. Remove the pillion seat, pull and take out the seat by lifting it from the rear end. Remove utility box under pillion seat area. Pull out the knob to remove rider seat. Place it in safe place to avoid damage. Connect the multimeter test probes to the battery and the battery voltage will be displayed on the multimeter screen. An healthy battery will have a voltage reading of 12 to 12.4 volts at ignition key on condition for smoother vehicle startability. Reassemble the seat assembly. Headlamp adjustment. If headlamp high beam or low beam throw is less during your ride, adjust in the following way. Tool required: 6 mm Allen key. Loosen the 6 mm Allen bolt 1 or 2 turns. In both sides of the headlamp stay rear bottom area. Tilt the headlamp front or rear till the specified throw is obtained, and then tighten the Allen bolt both the sides, that is, to the adjustment arrow mark provided in headlamp stay rear bottom area.